Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can set up a website using cPanel, so let's get right into it. I'll be using this official cPanel documentation since I myself do not have a cPanel subscription, so this is the only way where I can show you guys how to do it. Now, what you need to do is you can use three ways. You can create a website using the SiteJet Builder, you can create it using WordPress, and you can create a placeholder page with site publisher, and of course you can upload your own content, which I'll show you how to do. Now for SiteJet, you need to navigate to the interface by going to cPanel, Home Domains, and SiteJet Builder. Then the interface will appear. You can click Build with SiteJet for the domain and then choose the template for it. Then once you've chosen it and personalized your website with the builder, you can click Publish, which is this sort of rocket icon. Then you'll be redirected to the interface, and this will publish your design to the domain's document root directory. And if your domain's document root already contains files, the system will prompt you to confirm publication, and this will delete all files and directories in your domain's root directory. And if the publication process will cause your cPanel account to exceed its disk quota, and the system will prompt you to free up additional space before you can publish it, so keep that in mind. Other than that, of course, you can use WordPress. You can use the WordPress toolkit. You can navigate to the WordPress toolkit by going to Home Domains and WordPress toolkit, and then the interface will appear. Click Install WordPress. Then the sidebar will appear. Then enter a title for the website, and it'll suggest a username, password, and email address for the admin account, and you can make any changes to that. Then you can click Install, and then you can use WordPress to create your site as per your wishes. You can also create, of course, the placeholder page with the site publisher by going into Domains and Site Publisher. Then select the domain which you want to have the placeholder page for. Select a site template, enter your site information, and click Publish, and that should be it. And if you want to upload your own content which you've created, you can use the web disk interface by going to Home, Files, and Web Disk. You can use the Get Version Control by going to Home, Files, Git Control, the File Manager through the File Manager, and FTP accounts through FTP accounts. All of this is located in Home and then Files. So that is pretty much all the ways that you have. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.